guys, what's going on? Sorry I haven't been able to make many videos recently. I haven't had a lot to do to my car. Me and my dad cleaned up the garage the other week, so it's a lot cleaner now. And we got this little pit bike type thing out. It hasn't run for years. It's just been sitting here pretty much. I'll show you what it looks like. This is it. We've had it just sitting here for years. I had it as a kid. I know this pull start here is broken. It like sometimes it gets caught, doesn't always go back in again. It doesn't actually pull it either, and it's dented so it catches when you do it up properly. So this might be a new project to try and like get it working again. I know it's going to need a new spark plug at least. It's going to need all new fuel and oil. Other than that, I'm not sure how bad or good it is. It's obviously going to need a clean. It's been sitting in here for ages. But yeah, this could be a really fun project. I've seen some videos online. I've seen some videos on YouTube and on Facebook of people making them to like drift things and like drift trikes, which looks really cool. I'd like to give it a go, although a lot of them look like they've got custom brackets on like where the rear wheel would go, and I haven't got a welder, so I wouldn't be able to do that unless I got one. Unless I probably could figure out something with bolts and stuff. But yeah, if you'd like to see this on the channel more, see me doing stuff, say so in the comments or whatever. Because this could be something fun for me to do on the weekend as well. But today I'm probably just going to go up and see Milos because he's got a problem with his Mercedes. You guys haven't seen his Mercedes, and I haven't really done a lot to it. I've never done anything to it, so this will be a first. And then I'm not sure what we're doing. Yeah, I'm just going to go and see Milos now. Hey!
What are you filming? I'll take money with a bat, I'll take money with a shank, I'll take money with a sweat. I make money with my ones, I make money with my guns, I make money for my mum.
Yeah, you can make it up there, Milos.
Yeah, but we're not fucking spray.
It already is. No, it's fine, it's fine.
For sure. Doesn't sound fine. What are you doing? No. Huh? Just do it. No, that's perfect.
Well, don't do it then.
Will I rip my bumper off?
No, I won't rip your bumper off. It's only just touching the tip.
Oh, okay. How the hell did the Merc going to do that?
It's because yours has that little lip on it, doesn't it?
Huh?
Has a little lip. Bloody hell, there's no space back here at all.
Oh, will you stop complaining? There's always something.
What is all this?
I don't know.
Fucking ridiculously messy.
I don't know half the stuff that's in.
You're not moving it, are you?
What?
Because my legs aren't in.
What do you mean not?
Well, I can't
Right,
fit
see
them in.
my problem?
That's going in there.
What's your problem?
Well, to get this out,
Yeah.
we have to take all this out.
Right, well, let's get a screwdriver and pull it out.
Is that how you do it?
I think so.
I think so too.
And then, can we fix that?
What's up with that?
You see, it sort of just fell out. And one of the clips broke. So I was thinking, if we drill a hole or something and bowl it in time and make it go up and down again.
What clips broke?
I don't fucking know that one, I think.
No one will have a look at it. He can sort it.
So,
What we're doing now, we're moving this radio.
yeah.
Do you know how to do it? Do you think we've got to remove this bottom bit?
Possibly, yeah. It uncovers the other bolt.
And you've got to put it in neutral. And take that bit off as well.
Take the gear knob.
Well, no, you can't do it like that. You've got to put it in the ignition in. And move that fucking seat a bit forward. Alright, easy boy, easy boy.
There you go. It's gonna get stuck on this, isn't it? Oh, sorry.
What is that in there?
You've got some screws here, if they're helpful.
I just put them in there.
Oh. Only that. We've got to take the gear knob off, haven't we?
Oh, knobs.
Hopefully it's a twist
No,
one.
no, you don't have to take it off, you
We'll
idiots.
put it back. Right.
I don't think it's a twist one.
No, it's probably not. It's probably backwards now.
Right, we'll just leave that there.
Yeah.
I think we've got to take this off. I don't know how though.
Oh, there you go.
Oh. Pretty easy actually. You can't see it, can you?
Talking about, 'cause I haven't got a lot of time.
Oh, that was easy. I don't even know how I did that.
I was trying to like spin them round.
There you go.
Oh, fuck no. You done that well quick.
Right, now,
We also have a similar thing here.
because I know in Halfords they said I've got to buy some wiring.
No, that's not the same.
Should go to Halfords and buy it.
What, to adapt this to this?
Yeah.
Are they going to have the specific adapter for that to that?
Well, we can take both of these and ask.
Oh, we can do, can't we?
Exactly. Let's walk to Halfords quickly.
Yeah, should we go to Halfords?
Yeah, can do.
I think it's about 15 quid that price.
Oh, I can't even get that out. Yeah, so this goes to this.
Now see if it will turn on.
That's it. Start the car.
Oh, here you go. Don't start it, just put it in the ignition on.
Where's the power on this? This one?
I don't actually know.
I mean, it's plugged in.
Isn't it?
Where's the power button?
Is the other side definitely plugged in? That's full plugged in, isn't it?
Positive. Is ignition on?
This is the second radio we're going to try and fit into your Mercedes.
Will you stop hating?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the same plug. We'll give it a go. Yeah, the radio. And your sword. Second radio's in. Does it work?
No. What the fuck are we actually doing wrong then?
Sorry guys, we didn't enjoy this video quite so much. As I said, I haven't had a lot to do to my car at the moment. more videos coming soon, hopefully. I've got things I want to do, and hopefully they'll be coming soon. If you do want to see something about that bike, there's not a lot to do to it. It's not amazing or anything, it's not great. But yeah, that could be on the channel, that could be entertaining. It's up to you. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.
Nosy.
Right, get that receiver going then.
Huh?
Get that receiver going.
Fucking hell, how gangster do you want to go?